For decades, governments have followed a simple technology rule. If you need sophisticated software, buy it from a major vendor. Human resources is a perfect example. Government departments can spend millions of dollars maintaining HR technology ecosystems, not just on software licenses, but on implementation, integration, customization, consultants, upgrades, support, infrastructure, and the enormous cost of keeping multiple proprietary systems connected. For decades, that was probably rational. Building enterprise software internally was simply too expensive. But something has changed. Artificial intelligence has changed the economics of software development. AI can now assist with architecture, generate code, write tests, create documentation, build interfaces, generate database structures, create APIs, and dramatically accelerate the work of experienced developers. At the same time, open-source development frameworks, cloud infrastructure, and development platforms have become widely available. So the economic equation is changing. The question for government should no longer simply be, which enterprise software suite should we buy? It should be, what should government own? Imagine government defining its own authoritative HR data model, its own business rules, its own security and governance framework, and then using AI-assisted development to build a collection of modular services around that foundation. Recruitment, onboarding, workforce management, learning, performance, payroll interfaces, workforce planning, each service independently replaceable, each based on common government standards, and each capable of communicating through open interfaces. That is a very different model. It is not government buying an increasingly sophisticated proprietary application. It is government as a platform. And the potential economic impact is enormous. Instead of continually paying vendors to maintain the software that government depends upon, government can increasingly invest in an architecture that it owns and controls. The objective isn't to eliminate commercial software. It is to change the balance of power. Government should be able to choose when to buy, when to build, and when to replace. AI may have finally changed the calculation that made buying the suite the default answer. The technology is no longer the only question. The real question is, what is the most economically rational way for government to build and own the digital infrastructure on which government itself depends? Perhaps the next generation of government IT should not be built around buy the suite. Perhaps it should be built around own the platform.